Hi, Anastasia here. Are you looking for an easy-to-use tool for recording and editing your videos even if you have zero skills? Today I will show you a tool which allows you to record and edit videos that have a talking avatar on the side and a presentation on the other side, just like this one. You might have seen other tools that do something similar, for example Loom, but this tool called Tella offers a lot more flexibility in both recording and editing your videos. Tella kindly sponsored this video, but if you have been watching my channel, you probably noticed that in the recent videos I've been using these new layouts with background. Some viewers even asked me in the comments, what did I use to make screen share with this zooming effect? So the answer is that I've been using Tella. It is perfect if you need to make product demos, presentations, training videos, online courses, or record tutorials for YouTube, just like I'm often doing here on this channel. The best part is that you don't need advanced video editing skills, and you don't even have to install the software. You could simply use it in your browser. Let's review the tool in more detail. First, I will show you how you can record yourself and your screen at the same time in Tella. To start, click on my affiliate link anastasiablogger.com/Tella. You'll find it in the description below and you will get a 30% discount when you decide to upgrade from a free trial. Now create a Tella account. It's free for 7 days. Your dashboard will guide you through, showing you the video tutorials. When you already have some videos, you will also see them here in this dashboard, and this will be your past recordings. Or you can also install Tella Chrome extension. If you do it, you should pin it in your Chrome browser, and then you can always click on this Tella icon and this small window will pop up and you can record it from here. You can also use Tella app just in your browser, and the address will be app.tella.tv. Okay, so I opened my laptop and I'm going to show you how you can record yourself with this little presentation slides. What you need to do here is make the settings for your microphone. I connected just with my default microphone from the laptop. Then you can check the camera, and in this case again I'm using the front camera of my laptop. Then about this share screen button, it's a little bit tricky because when you click on it, it will ask you to either choose Chrome tab or the window or the entire screen. In this case, I wanted to show you how you can share this particular tab with the presentation slides. So you can also decide whether you want to record any audio of the tab itself. Now I'll go back here to show you how this whole window will look like before you start recording. So you can click here on this button to start recording, and it will give you a warning. In a couple of seconds you can switch to your presentation and show here, show on this tab the presentation slides. Your face will be recorded in this smaller window, but I'll show you later how you can change the styles and the layouts of the presentations. By default it's going to be just recording it this way, but on the post-production, on the editing, you can change all of it. And then once you're finished with this clip, you can click here. It will stop, and if you want, you can go back to edit this. And if you wanted, for example, to record a second clip right from here, like to continue the presentation, if you had to pause, for example, for some reason, you can click here to add clip and make the settings again, and everything will be ready from there. Now let's talk about editing your videos that you recorded in Tella. You already noticed that the recording process in Tella has its own unique features compared to other similar apps. But for me, the real magic is in the editing part. It's not too advanced, but it also allows a lot of customizations which competitors don't offer. Loom, for starters, doesn't offer much of the editing except trimming and maybe stitching the clips. You cannot change the layout, you cannot even move the window with your face when it accidentally covers important elements on your screen share. This happened to me too many times, and I honestly had to re-record parts of the video. But in Tella, it's very easy to fix this, because you can move the window with your face while you edit the clip, or even you can choose the layout without your face for a particular clip. Tella is perfect if you want to simultaneously capture yourself and show your screen. You can record the video with your face and then change the format of the video when you edit it. You can choose it to be a smaller rounded window or a square, or a rectangular window on the right side or on the left side. You can even switch from screen sharing to a full-faced avatar, and for that you can just select this full talking head layout option. Another feature that I haven't seen anywhere else is that you can customize your background from Tella's selection or upload your own background. I really like those animated backgrounds that are slowly changing colors as the video goes on. Other tweaks include border style, and you can choose these rounded corners, for example, or a few styles of your screen share with or without shadow. If you're wondering what does this camera mirroring do, check it out here. You can also crop the screen. Sometimes I use it on YouTube when I accidentally recorded something that I wasn't going to share. Sometimes it's browser tabs that were open and I can just crop the screen a bit from the top part. Then video size allows you to change the video format from horizontal to vertical or to a square shape. Then my next favorite feature in Tella is zooming. I started using it heavily in my videos because I realized that a lot of users are on mobile devices, and without a zooming effect, some tutorials become worthless for mobile viewers. They simply cannot see or read what is on the screen. Zooming is a pretty advanced editing feature if you were to use it in some other editing video tools. But in Tella, you just select the area which you want to close up and choose the level of zoom, as well as the speed of zoom. You can edit the clips you recorded in the browser using a very intuitive interface. So no need to take your videos to a third-party video editing software, which usually has a very steep learning curve. Plus, it often comes at an extra cost. In Tella, editing is straightforward. Trimming is essential, and Tella makes it easy to cut the start, the end, or even the middle segments of your video. You just delete the bit that you don't need, and Tella automatically stitches the rest of the video. So to wrap it up, Tella has a lot of advantages over other similar tools. There is no need for additional software. You can record and edit the videos in the same tool. Another advantage is that you have this instant sharing of your videos through a link. You get to record unlimited videos of unlimited duration, and they're stored on their cloud. You also can export your videos in 4K quality, which is important for some platforms like YouTube, because it wants the best quality possible of your videos. If you want to download the file, just click on this button, select the Pro button, check some additional settings, like you can decide to download the video with burnt-in subtitles. And then just close the window, because it can take a few minutes to process this request, depending on the size of your video file. I usually just check my inbox in a few minutes and I get the download link there. Personally, I'm using Tella to record screen share for most of my YouTube videos. I also use Tella to record Pinterest account audits for my clients. What I find amazing for this purpose is that I don't have to record a whole 30-minute audit at once. I can record 7 or 10 minutes to answer one question, then take a break, think about the next section of my audit, then start recording a new clip, and in the end, when I have all the clips ready, I don't need to stitch them together in another tool, and there is zero editing required. I just save the project and share the link with my client. By the way, Tella also automatically generates subtitles for the videos that I share with my clients. And as I work with people from all over the world, for some of my clients, English is not their first language, so these subtitles are very helpful. I checked the quality of automatically generated subtitles, and it was very good, much better than what I get in automatic subtitles on my YouTube videos, for example. Tella is also perfect for recording video courses, especially when you need to make a lot of tutorials and screen sharing. Again, if you want to get a 30% discount when you switch from the free trial to a paid account on Tella, use my link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my video tutorials in your feed, and I will see you in that next video.